Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we are going to learn about how to use like a sign from the customer when you deliver product to customer. It means like sign a delivery slip from the customer when you deliver the product. So for that, whenever you create sales order, you validate the sales order and it creates the delivery order. And if we go to inventory, here the delivery, and let's say if I open this, and here you can see this is the delivery order, and we validate, and we can print the delivery slip, and let's say how it looks. So this is how it looks. So now let's see how we can manage a sign feature. Let's say for that we can go to inventory configuration settings, and if we go down, then here you can find this signature, required signature on your delivery orders. We will check this box and click on save, and then if you go to here, delivery orders, we open this ready. And now when the executive like go to customer and provide the delivery products to customer, and they can ask for the sign, right? Let's say, and sign, and we validate, right? Also let's say you can see here, when customer sign, then it add order signed by customer name. You can see here signature added here, right? Here it added two time because we signed two time. If I print here, let's say the delivery slip, and if we open, then we can see how this sign looks here, right? So this is the feature how we can use, and we can activate this sign. It will also like add in the records here,